Here I've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with button navigation bar. So here, this one is for recent, then that one is for back, and here we've got the home screen. Just click and you're back on your home screen. If you'd like to have a gesture navigation bar, you have to open the settings. Now you can smoothly enter and search area navigation. Here it is, navigation bar, so you can pick either buttons only or gestures. And as you can see now it is changed. Here you can customize your gesture intensity, but basically all you need to know is that if you will slide up, you will be on your home screen. If you'd like to go back to the previous window, just slide right or left, it doesn't matter. And if you would like to open recent apps, just grab it up, and here it is. So this is it, this is how you can switch it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.